Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by seeding math. Random so values aren't identical each run. Call math, random seed OS, time. Once at script start, then immediately discard the first few values to avoid bias. Next, use math, random A, B when you need an inclusive integer range, for example, math. Random 1, 6. This gives a uniform integer between endpoints. Once done, store the random value in a variable, so you can reuse it deterministically within a single frame or function. Once you have basic calls working, decide whether you need floats or integers. Use math, random, alone to get a float between 0 and 1, then multiply and offset. Random value equals math. Random, asterisk max min plus min. For inclusive integer ranges, keep math. Random, A, B. If you require repeatable behavior for debugging or deterministic simulations, set a fixed seed like math. Random seed, 12,345. At the top, finish by integrating random values into gameplay. Assign to loot tables, shuffle arrays, or pick spawn points. Make sure you do not reseed each frame because that creates repeating patterns. Seed once at startup. For tables, use Fisher-Yates with math. Random to shuffle reliably. If you see repeated outcomes, reseed with OS. Time, then call math. Random a couple of times and ignore those values. That removes startup correlation. If ranges are wrong, check your min and max variables immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.